Imagine having the power to concoct your own skincare elixir, a potion that caters specifically to your skin needs. It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But what if we told you it's entirely possible and within your grasp? Well, you're about to embark on a journey into the fascinating world of cosmetic formulation. The world of beauty and skincare is vast, diverse, and constantly evolving. But at its heart, it's all about chemistry, the artful blend of ingredients that can cleanse, soothe, heal, and beautify. Cosmetic formulation is the science behind all your favorite products. It's the process of carefully selecting and combining ingredients to create cosmetics that are safe, effective, and tailored to specific needs. Why is it so important to understand these formulas, you ask? Because knowledge is power. When you understand what's in your skincare products and what each ingredient does, you can make informed decisions about what you're putting on your skin. You can avoid ingredients that may cause irritation or allergies, seek out those that address your specific concerns, and even customize products to suit your unique needs. Now, picture a group of beauty enthusiasts, just like you, rolling up their sleeves and diving into the world of cosmetic formulation. They're measuring, mixing, and experimenting with different ingredients, creating their own skincare magic. Each ingredient they choose plays a specific role in their concoctions. Take, for instance, emollients. These are the moisturizing agents that make your skin feel soft and smooth. They can come from a variety of sources, like natural oils or synthetics. Then there are humectants, which draw moisture into the skin, helping it to stay hydrated. And don't forget about the active ingredients, the ones that target specific skin concerns like aging, acne, or hyperpigmentation. Every skin type has its own needs, and these enthusiasts are learning how to cater to those needs. The oily-skinned among them are discovering the benefits of lightweight, non-comedogenic ingredients. Those with dry skin are exploring the power of deeply hydrating and nourishing components. And for the sensitive-skinned, they're finding out how to soothe and protect their skin without causing irritation. So, what have we learned today? Cosmetic formulation is the science and art behind your skincare products. Understanding it empowers you to make informed choices and even create your own personalized skincare. Each ingredient in a product has a role to play, and knowing these roles allows you to customize your skincare to your specific needs. In the hands of passionate beauty enthusiasts, the world of cosmetic formulation becomes a playground of possibilities. And who knows, one day, that could be you, whipping up your own skincare potions, armed with the knowledge of what each ingredient brings to the table. Remember, beauty isn't just skin deep, it starts with understanding what goes onto your skin. So, dive into the world of cosmetic formulation, unleash your inner scientist, and create your own beauty magic.